Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Ain Shakira binti Muhammad Noor. My metric number is 20211132x7. Today I would like to share about the 3 diseases in the palm oil. I will explain about the bunch rot disease, the basal stem rot disease and the red ring disease. Let's check it out. Firstly is bunch rot disease that often begins in one or a few berries, usually at the site of an injury, and then spreads rapidly throughout the cluster, and generally it rotting berries turn brown and become soft, then collapse or shrivel up. The symptoms will be shown through early season shoot blight that may occur following prolonged warm, moist conditions caused by frequent spring rains. If temperatures are moderate, moisture high and wind speed is low, epidermal cracks will form in which fungal growth produce mycelium and spores, resulting in the characteristic grey velvet appearance of infected berries. So, the management of the bunch rot disease firstly is cultural control by designing vineyards to anticipate vigor of the site conditions. This will produce balanced canopies with moderate shoot vigor that optimize leaf and cluster exposure and can reduce the condition that promote the bunch rot disease. Next is the organically acceptable methods. The second one is red ring disease. The red ring nematode is very small and long, and it will appear worm-like. The disease or pest must be able to reproduce inside a vector insect's body and then move to the plant. Initial signs of nematode infestation are the external symptoms. It will appear around 30 days. The oldest leaflets may become yellow and from tip of the frond will die early. The inflorescences may also be affected, looking withered or dead. To controlling the red ring disease, the Integrated Pest Management (IPM) approach to the control of combination of method: physical, pesticides such as site hygiene, and biological control to minimize the use of pesticides and minimize the cost of control. Through the cultural control, by keeping plantations clean by using the correct tools and removal methods, is considered a successful method to manage the red ring disease. Through the natural by trappings to reducing the palm weevil. Last but not least is the basal stem rot disease that becomes the major obstacle in oil palm cultivation. It is caused by white root fungus, Ganoderma, which cuts down the oil palm yield in most production areas in Malaysia. The characteristics internal symptoms appear as light brown discoloration of both the stem and bile, occasionally with visible mycelial growth and narrow, dark bands of tissue between the light brown lesion. Bacillus morta appear at the stem base when the disease has been long and established. The symptoms comprise water stress, one-side mottling of the canopy, flattening of the ground, multiple unopened spears. Throughout the method to control the basal stem rot is by fungal strain and isolation from palm for the infection of palm seedlings. Next is through random felling of matured palm infections in the field. Then is transmission electron microscopy when the sample were collected from representative tissues and processed from the method Bioshock and Copper 1983.